Alright guys, you can tell it's freaking raining. Yes. I'm testing the theory that shittier the weather, the better the targets. So here I am out in the rain just to see if this is actually true or not. Since I got the Equinox and it's waterproof, I can actually try it. And here's my first target. Looks like trash, don't it? Looks like trash. Might not be though. How deep was that? Oh, it ain't super deep. Yeah, I was gonna go back to that construction site, but just mixing it up a little bit. There's a lot of stuff there, but I say that field, when I went to school there, it used to stay filled plumb full of water after it rained. So it might be flooded, I don't know. Well, I don't know. I don't know what it is. What do we have? Oh, we got a penny. Well, it's a good start, ain't it? Off the charts, man. Oh, not really, but there it is. It's probably a quarter. It's not very deep. I think I just hit it. Might not have just hit it. What is that? Oh, it's a car. Got a Tesla. Man. Oh well. I don't know, man. That's a new car. I hate it for that little kid that lost that. Found a Tesla. Metal detecting. Can't wait to tell my wife about that one. Okay, I got a solid 1920. God almighty, dude. I'm so used to digging where it's been dry. Maybe I should go back up there to that place where them coins was so deep. Might be a little bit easier to get to. God almighty, I did not mean to get a plug that big, that deep. Probably a piece of trash. There it is. Found us a good old zinc penny. And I got us another 1920. It's not very deep. Let's see if I can not overdo it this time. Nailed it. Nailed it. Oh man, piece of can. Oh crap. Dropped the shovel. Okay, I found like a 14, I don't know. I'm sure it's trash, but I'm curious. Oh, is that it? Oh wait, that's an old horseshoe. I think. Is it? Yeah, I think it is. Holy crap, dude. I never would have thought I'd have found a freaking horseshoe here at this park. That's it. Dang, it makes me wonder, like, how much old stuff's actually here. It's pretty cool, man. It's pretty cool. All right, got us another high one, 25, 27. Okay, what do we got? It's a crab. There it is. My pinpointer ain't picking it up. There we go. I must have turned it on right on top of it, and it. Okay. Looks like a copper penny. Yeah, it's copper. Man, I always find copper pennies around ants. I wonder if ants like something to do with the copper. 1968. That's pretty decent. Pretty decent. All right, I've made my way up here to the side walking way, trail, whatever. And got a 26, 27. All right, let's see. Is it going to be something good? It is not. It is not. It's a freaking can. All right, let's keep on trying. Okay, it's another 25, 27. Probably another can, I'm guessing. Yeah, I say it is. Yep. Maybe not. Maybe it's a piece of flashing or something. That nature. Oh man. Yeah. I hate to dig that out. I don't know how deep it is. It could be a freaking 20-foot piece. Let's just pass that one up. Okay, I got a 1920 right here. It's not very deep. I bet it's junk, man. Your stick. Oh yeah, most definitely junk. All right guys, I'm done. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all next time, okay?